My name is Phoenix Ross and I'm a game programming major. My UAT experience was actually really awesome. I learned a lot from being here at the school. I definitely improved not only just on my skill set, but as a person I gained a lot of experience. My favorite class is definitely just production studio. I got to work a lot with a team, with a lot of really great people that I consider my friends now, and I got to have that real life experience with my industry and field of work. And yeah, shout out to Derek and Blake. They're like been the best professors so far. So what's next is I'm going to be working in the field. I have not secured a job yet, but that is the plan. I just keep on building my work experience that way now into the future for as long as for indefinitely. I want to be working in game programming. I would say keep working at it. If you're going to UAT, be on top of things. Be sure to connect with people, get new connections, and all that. And just enjoy your time here, because yeah, you're at UAT. There's time to work and there's time to have fun. So yeah.